In this video, we will discuss the 5 best rolling duffel luggage bags in the market. After watching the video, you can decide which one is best for you. If you want to know more information on these products, don't forget to check the links in the description down below and subscribe to the channel for future updates. So let's get started. Number 1. Pacific Gear Rolling Duffel Luggage Bags. The Pacific Gear Rolling Duffel Bag is a versatile and practical solution for weekend getaways and short trips. Crafted from durable brushed polyester, this 30-inch duffel combines functionality with a sporty design. The bag's standout feature is its U-shaped top opening, which allows for easy packing of larger items, while multiple zippered pockets on the sides and front provide convenient storage for smaller essentials. Mobility is a key aspect of this duffel, featuring a recessed wheel system and a retractable pull handle for effortless transportation. The addition of riveted runners and side feet offers protection against wear and tear, ensuring the bag's longevity. The interior of the bag is lined with breathable mesh, enhancing durability and keeping your belongings fresh. The smooth gliding and lined skate wheels and telescoping handle make navigation through busy airports or train stations a breeze. Number 2. Greencity Rolling Duffel Luggage Bags. The Greencity Rolling Duffel Luggage Bag combines functionality and durability in a spacious 32-inch package. Crafted from 600 high-density polyester with vinyl backing, this bag offers a generous 124-liter capacity while weighing just over 10 pounds, striking a balance between ample storage and manageable weight. The bag's design prioritizes practicality with a large main compartment, complemented by a detachable side accessory bag and various pockets for organized packing. Protection of belongings is ensured through foam padding and a padded divider in the main compartment, along with corner guards and reinforced feet to withstand the rigors of travel. Versatility is a standout feature of this rolling duffel. It seamlessly transitions from a weekend bag to a camping companion, or from a business trip essential to a gym tote. The wheeled design facilitates easy maneuverability, whether navigating airport terminals or city streets. Number 3. Samsonite Rolling Duffel Luggage Bags. The Samsonite wheeled duffel represents a thoughtful evolution of the original Andante line, seamlessly blending functionality with a refined, casual aesthetic. Crafted from water-resistant Dobby polyester, this duffel is built to withstand the rigors of travel while maintaining a stylish appearance. At the heart of its design is practicality. The large U-shaped main opening allows for easy packing and quick access to belongings, while the locking pull handle and smooth rolling wheels ensure effortless maneuverability through busy airports or city streets. Multiple exterior grab handles provide convenient lifting options from various angles, enhancing the bag's versatility. Attention to detail is evident in features like the end pockets, perfect for separating shoes or damp items from your main luggage. Number 4. Rockland Rolling Duffel Luggage Bags. The Rockland Rolling Duffel Luggage Bag offers a stylish and practical solution for travelers seeking versatility and durability. Constructed from heavy-duty 600 denier polyester, this soft-sided duffel combines ruggedness with a sleek design, making it suitable for various travel scenarios. Mobility is a key feature of this duffel, with inline skate wheels providing smooth movement across different surfaces. The internal retractable handle system offers convenient control while rolling, and when not in use, it neatly tucks away to maintain the bag's streamlined profile. For added versatility, an adjustable ergonomic shoulder strap allows for comfortable carrying when needed. With its combination of durability, storage capacity, and user-friendly features, the Rockland Rolling Duffel Luggage Bag presents an attractive option for travelers who value both style and practicality in their luggage choices. Number 5. XMILPAX Rolling Duffel Luggage Bags. The XMILPAX Rolling Duffel Luggage Bag is a robust and versatile solution for those requiring substantial carrying capacity in challenging conditions. Crafted from durable 600D polyester fabric and featuring heavy-duty zippers and buckles, this extra-large military-style duffel is built to withstand rigorous use. With a generous main compartment offering approximately 84 liters of storage and 6 external pockets adding another 6 liters, this bag provides ample space for extended trips or gear-intensive activities. Comfort and convenience are prioritized in the design, with 2-inch wide carry handles, side grab handles, and an artificial leather bottom for easy cleaning. The addition of 6 plastic rubber feet protects the bag from wear during transport.
All products pricing and updates mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like, and hit that subscribe button. Stay updated with our excellent product and makes your life much easier. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good day. Thank you.